Hey everybody, this is my Samsung washer. Yesterday I heard it beeping constantly, went to check on it, and as you can see here I don't have the problem any longer, but I had codes 1CL1 on the top display and 1CL1 on the bottom. So as soon as you try to unplug it, plug it back in, try to run anything, it kicks it into a safety feature, and it was detecting water. There's sensors in the machine, so if it detects water, that's why it's doing it, and it's shutting it down so you can look at it. So what happened for mine, I know on YouTube, there was a good video about check here for blockage. That wasn't the case on mine. What happened on mine was, it was just my hot water hose. And I just changed it out today and ran it, and it works good, but it was just a small drip, good enough to where it was, I felt this, it was just soaked on this fabric. It must have just been leaking down the back, but yeah, there was a huge puddle on the floor, of course. So what happened was I cleaned it out so the sensor would dry out, and I put a light in here already, but there you can kind of see on the base or the bottom of the washer, there's like those channels, and right there, if I can zoom in, try again here, there's that sensor. Try to focus a little better. There you go. There you go, that's the one. See how it tunnels? And if it picks up water there, that's the problem, which is actually a good problem, I guess. But to get the water out, it's gonna be heavy, so you really can't move this around too good. But I was able to move it with some brute force. And to clean it out, I have my like hand blower here, battery powered one, and I just blew all the air out, let it dry out, and as soon as it dried out, it started running again. And then I went and got some new hoses for it, and that was it. So let me stand back up here. So yeah, just take off the main panel. I set my screws in here, I believe. Where'd they go? There's one screw here you take off. Same thing on the other side, the panel just pops out. There's another one you can get in here and look around too. But another good idea is clean these filters out up front. Shut this off. Because mine was full. I've had this thing for 5 years and I've never cleaned this. But right here, push this open, and then there's a filter in here. There you go. And for us guys, oh shit, that was a great idea. But anyway, there's a filter in there, and I gotta clean up the water mess again. Don't do that, but get a towel. But yeah, there was all kinds of debris in there from shirts and whatever, you name it. But yeah, clean that out regularly. It's not that hard. Just be ready to get water apparently. But yeah, that was about it. Just clean those filters. Don't worry too much. It might be just something as a hose leaking in the end.